Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your local realtor Courtney-Ann, and we're back again with another property tour. This time we're in Runaway Bay, St. Anne, and we will be touring the Fende development, one of the newest developments in the Runaway Bay area. So stay tuned, it promises to be an amazing virtual tour. Let's get started. Now, before we get into the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe as it assists my channel with reaching other viewers that are interested in this type of content. As it relates to Runaway Bay is a very popular area in the St. Anne region. It consists of a lot of restaurants, beach, and other local amenities such as commercial spaces, petrol stations, and so forth. I believe it's one of the most prime real estate locations in the St. Anne area, coupled with Ocho Rios, which most persons know. As it relates to this development, you will be equipped with 24-hour security, pool, gym, and water tanks. There are 9 units left for sale and several models available. We will be starting with the 1-bedroom apartment. Now guys, if at any point you feel like you need to have questions, go ahead and check out the description box below. I will be listing all prices and square footage, as well as any other pertinent information. This is the 2-bedroom apartment, so there are various models available: 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms. And there's also penthouses available for sale. Now, I should clarify that even though this is a new development, it is going pretty quickly. The last I checked, there were 9 units left for sale. Now, if you know the real estate market here in Jamaica, that's not going to stay very long. So if you are interested in any of these units and you would like to be provided with more information, go ahead and give me a call at 876-465-8811. If you're also watching this video and you need assistance with getting financing here in Jamaica, also known as a mortgage, go ahead and give me a call as well. Thank you so much for watching the video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next property tour. Bye!